What's up gamers, here's a video on how to solve the Hillside Manor puzzle and get the Saint's Necklace in Crimson Desert. This necklace is said to be a good early game item as it gives you a 5 defense stat boost with a vitality trait. Before everything else, go to the back alley shop southeast of the town to buy some keys and a mask. Then you need to go to Hillside Manor below Hernan Castle, on the east side of town. Once there, we go full GTA mode, since we'll be stealing the necklace from inside. Enter through a window on the backyard, specifically the window I'm looking at. Then turn left and you'll see a strongbox. Interact with it, and we'll be hit with a puzzle to solve. To bypass this mechanism, starting from the left, lower the first cylinder 2 times. Do the same for the second cylinder, 3 times for the third one, 4 times for the fourth, and 5 times for the last one. Then press the right hand button. If you hear a sparkly sound effect, turn the button right. Once it's open, equip your mask, then hold control on your keyboard so you can steal the necklace from inside. Congrats, you got the necklace and you're officially a robber. As long as nobody saw you on your little heist, then it'll be fine. If this video helped, subscribe to the channel for more Crimson Desert tutorials. Thanks for tuning in.